This is what it looks like to be a master procrastinator. Problem. Now, if you look at my apartment, you wouldn't think so. And this is just a testament to the amount of hidden storage and space that I have in my apartment. There's so many nooks and crannies and cupboards where I just hide a bunch of stuff that I don't use and that I don't need. So I only utilize like this one wardrobe because the other ones are filled full of rubbish. Yeah. So you know how like whenever a girl cuts her hair, she's like, so I did a thing. So yeah, I think I did a thing. Such a cool exhibit. I think this is actually the first time I've ever been to like a exhibit in Korea, and they actually have a lot of pop-ups here, which is so cool. I found this one on TikTok. I'll definitely try and look out for more because this was definitely a great idea. Some great photo ops for sure. I'm kind of sad I went on my own because like no one could take pictures of me, but that's fine. I got some cool videos and cool pictures anyway. Now actually down the street is one of my favorite cafes, Cafe Onion. They have like stores all around. So this is the Songsu store. Songsu is like a up and coming neighborhood. I haven't seen that many foreigners around this area, so if you're wanting to hang out somewhere in Seoul where it's like not super touristy, definitely come here. This area used to be like the, well, it still kind of is the industrial area. People refer to it as the Brooklyn of Seoul. Got gentrified, so now you have like hip cafes mixed in with like car repair shops, so it's like a cool little juxtaposition. So I think I'm gonna cafe hop, see how busy Cafe Onion is, and go from there. One of the many things I love about Korea is it's like dark and I don't feel scared. Like I can walk to my nail appointment in peace, basically, without being scared to like get catcalled or anything. Once it gets dark, depending on where you live and stuff, it can get kind of scary. These nails need doing. Today's the day that I return to my apartment being tidy. It took 4 days? I had a moment and I cut myself a fringe or bangs for my American friends out there. Yeah, I've done a lot of unnecessary things during this time to not have to do this, but we're almost there. This right here is my favorite time of the day. Sunset, so like my whole apartment is in this really glowy lighting. This is how it came out. This is the best lemon tart I've ever made. The crust looks great. Already got a piece. Actually, this is 2 pieces. Yes. Oh my god. Try this. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. It's so good. As you can probably tell, I'm sick. Today I had a whole thing planned where I go around and film a vlog. And unfortunately I've had to completely cancel all my plans because I've been so sick. I feel like today's vlog is a little bit shorter than I would like it to be, but I still wanted to upload it today because I'm kind of on like a nice schedule. So I hope you don't mind the shorter vlog, and I apologize, and hopefully I get better soon and we'll be able to do a vlog that's a little longer. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.